Okay guys, so I found a weak spot on these PCBs. Actually 120 volt AC, which is this PCB, it's got a same issue here. So I'm gonna show you what's going on. Upon further testing, I have discovered that a pathway right here is thick enough, but when it comes to this upgraded board, this pathway at this location right here is weak, and if you're pulsing at 2.4 Tesla, this will eventually burn right here. So you need to enforce it. A couple options to do that. One option is I'm going to show you on a 120 volt AC PCB. So here's the pathway, as you can see. So I scratched it off here. Just make sure you don't go all the way to the edges of the pathway, so you don't scratch off in between the layer, because it's filled with the copper as well in there. So you don't want to attach to that part, just to the copper here. So just to this copper here, do not attach to internal filling in between here and on this side here, because the board, first 20 boards will have filling here. So you just need to install, add some more solder here. Or another option which you can do is by adding a jumper. Here I'm using a 12 gauge wire, and I basically scratched up right here, and then I scratched up right here, and I added the jumper wire here just to enforce the pathway here. Okay guys, I really apologize for this issue here, but it's easy to fix, and here's how you do it. So once again, sorry about that. Stay tuned. In my next video I'm gonna show you how this board functions. I have already tested it and it's working very well. No wrong pathways, it's just a weak link in one spot right here, at this spot right here. Just want to show you that. By the way, all of the new boards that I will send out, they will be fixed. I will add a solder here, so you don't need to worry about that. Just for the customers who have already purchased or got this board for free. By the way, I still have a few of this left, so give me a holla and you can get one for yourself.